Ashley Pelham, and today I am speaking on behalf of the UT Civil Engineering Design Team Float. We were requested by our client Soleo Water to reevaluate an existing floating water intake structure used along the Vista Alegre River in rural Panama. Top left, you'll see a photo of what the structure generally looks like in multiple locations along this river. Among the issues they experienced were all generally caused by extreme flooding in the area, causing the water levels to rise, the water velocity to become very, very rapid, and causing, as you can see, extremely turbid, high sediment loaded water. On the right, you will see a photo of our team and a general drawing of what we believe the existing structure looks like. Cameron Neary was asked to design an anchorage system flexible enough to withstand the change of elevation the stream experience, as well as strong enough to withstand the high velocity during flow time. His resulting design was a rotating stiff arm with cable and a flexible connection system. I was asked to design a flotation device that would be reducing drag as well as durable to any damage that the elements or debris may pose. My final design was a drag-reducing cone-in flotation device that would be filled with urethane foam to prevent sinking during puncture, as well as coated with a resin coating to prevent rust and erosion. Yusuf Regabi was asked to redesign the existing filtration system to reduce clogs during high sediment times, as well as to protect the pump. His resulting design was a removable cartridge filter system that utilized the flow of water to keep the filters clean, as well as was easily cleaned by a brush. Andrew Say was asked to design a diagnostic system to determine when to turn the pump on and when to turn it off. And his final result was using an Arduino programmed with a turbidity sensor that reported turbidity values over time for operators to use in management. We at Float are very thankful for the unique challenges and experiences we had in this course, which allowed us not only to grow in the various steps of the engineering design process, but also exposed us to the unique challenge of designing for a region completely different to our own. We are now capable as engineers to put ourselves in the user's shoes whenever we design, which is invaluable. And we hope that the outcome in the region is bringing them one step closer to clean water infrastructure. Thank you.